Ballot Buzz has reached Telangana. Hello and namaste. I am Richa Divedi and we are here starting our journey by attending the Forum for Good Governance, which has been organized here in Secunderabad. G. Kishan Reddy, Union Minister and the candidate for the BJP from this seat in Secunderabad, he is here and he is addressing a public forum. An interesting discussion is going on. So let us go and see what all is happening. Here with people who just attended the Forum for Good Governance where G. Kishan Reddy was present. So let us have a word with them. Sir, what is your name?
प्रवीण रेड्डी मेरा नाम।
रेमणी।
अच्छा, प्रवीण रेड्डी जी, रेमणी जी, आपने इवेंट अटेंड किया, जो सब बातें हुई, क्या लगा सुन के कि मतलब क्या फील हुआ?
अच्छा लगा। हमारा किशन रेड्डी जी बहुत अच्छा काम किया वो सिकंदराबाद में और तेलंगाना पूरा स्टेट में वो सेंट्रल मिनिस्टर के नाते अच्छा काम किया। वो 370 आर्टिकल में और वो टूरिज़म डिपार्टमेंट में भी बहुत काम किया। वो तेलंगाना को 10 लाख करोड़ रुपीस सेंटर से मोदी जी दिया। तो ऐसा काम अच्छा काम किया। वो रिपोर्ट कार्ड दे दिया इस मीटिंग में।
तो मैम, जो रिपोर्ट कार्ड आज दिया है, काफ़ी बड़ा रिपोर्ट कार्ड है, अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, बहुत सारा चीज़ लिखा है। आपको आज का ये मीटिंग अटेंड करके क्या लगा कि
मेरे को यह मीटिंग अटेंड करके बहुत खुशी लगाया। वो हमारा हिंदुस्तान का बहुत डेवलपमेंट हो गया और कांग्रेस पार्टी इतना साल हमको पूरा काके हमारों को रोड पे डाला। अभी अब हिंदुस्तान में वो एक प्राइम मिनिस्टर है बोल के हमारे गट से बोल रहे हैं। इतने बहुत खुशी हो गई हमें।
तो तेलंगाना इस बार क्या लग रहा है? यहाँ पे इलेक्शन अभी पोलिंग डेट है 13 को, शायद क्या होने वाला है?
हमारा तेलंगाना में 10 का ऊपर 10 का ऊपर सीट मिलने का चांस है।
गुड गवर्नेंस के लिए जो फोरम था, रोड अहेड डिस्कस किया, आपको लगता है कि यहाँ के लोगों को विश्वास है, कॉन्फिडेंस है कि ऐसे ही काम चलता रहेगा और अच्छे से परफॉर्म करेगी?
अभी तेलंगाना में पीपल ऑलरेडी डिसाइड किया वो कमल बीजेपी को वोट कंपलसरी देना। वाई बिकॉज ईयर डेवलपमेंट ओनली डन बिकॉज ऑफ मोदी जी एंड बीजेपी। सभी लोग मालूम है अभी वो 6 गारंटीज कांग्रेस दे दिया, इधर कुछ भी इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं हुआ। सभी लोग सेंट्रल में मोदी जी को वोट देना, सपोर्ट देना ऐसा चाहता है।
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच। Hi ma'am, what is your name?
I'm Niharika.
Niharika ji, you just attended the session by G. Kishan Reddy ji. Could you tell us what did you feel about it? I saw you were listening to him very attentively. So what was it all about?
So it's all about how India is transformed from 2.0 to 2.3, 3.0 now. That is Modi's tenure and Kishan ji's tenure for this 10 years. So drastic changes in Telangana region also from his side and also throughout the India. How the economy has developed, how infrastructure is developed, culture is developed, self-employment is developed. So we are seeing development in all the ways by not just giving the freebies, but the development is all round: education, infrastructure, tourism, transport, whatnot. And I would just like to say one thing: if this pace goes like this, India will become the first country in the world. It will become a Vishwaguru in coming days. Thank you.
Ma'am, so G. Kishan Reddy spoke about how the state government has not been cooperating and there is a lot of areas where development is lagging in the state because of obviously they are not cooperating. So this time, do you feel that Telangana, considering we have a whole room full of people, do you think people are now more aware about how things have been and are they going to show confidence in the BJP this time? What is your
Definitely, ma'am, they will show 100% because again, when the Congress regime has come to Telangana, it's again the freebies. If these freebies go, who's giving money to these freebies? We as citizens are paying in the form of taxes. When these taxes are completed, then they would destroy the government lands. They would sell it to the private parties, then give freebies. Those are done. Forest. whatnot, everything will be destroyed. Then where will the future generations survive from? It is for the next generation. So people are aware now. Voting means not for ourselves. We have to vote for the future generations to come. Because if everything is, destroyed, you call it from taking it from nature to everything, where will the future generations go? So yeah, definitely people of Telangana believe in BJP party. Next term it will be BJP in Telangana, and we will show how BJP rules Telangana in a prosperous way.
All right. Thank you so much for talking to us. Forum for Good Governance 3.0. Ma'am, what is your name?
My name is Dr. Shri Priya.
Dr. Shri Priya ji, what line of work are you in?
I'm a dentist by profession. I work as a vice principal in a college. So, a big fan of Modi ji.
Okay. So, ma'am, today you attended this session, The Road Ahead, discussing Modi 3.0 and the journey 2.0, how it has been. What are some of the most interesting things that you found here? Like, it was a very interactive session. So, like, what do you feel about it?
Definitely, it's a very good session, and we are looking ahead. We are not looking back. What we need to look ahead is for our future generations, and the reason why we look forward to Modi ji as our mentor, as our guru, as a Vishwa Guru is because he is thinking beyond his age, right? He might not be till 2047, but his vision is for 2047. So that is the reason why people have to think ahead, not behind. There might be a lot of issues, but what he is thinking is about development. How whenever he speaks, he says that the economy is at 5th position. We'll see to it that it comes at the 2nd position. But I think under his guidance, we can even come to the 1st position. So the governance, what they say from Modi 2 to 3, we have seen lot of development. It can be railways, it can be roadways, there can be infrastructure, it can be... People don't speak about toilets, but toilets are important. There are areas in rural Telangana and rural places where people or women usually did not have access to toilets. And people usually don't speak about it because they think it's below their dignity to talk about it. But they have done tremendous work in those areas also. There are places where women used to work with wood, right? Ujjwala Yojana has benefited them a lot because the amount of smoke that they inhale leads to asthma, respiratory diseases and everything. It has decreased a lot. Not only he is focused on all these sectors. It's not one particular sector. It is not railways or it's not development or anything. He is focused on medical care also. Ayushman Bharat, if you see, has benefited a lot of people. And it is helping a lot of people, especially in the lower socioeconomic status, because till then it was either you pay up or you die, right? But these things that he thinks, because he has come from the ground, he has come from down below. So he understands the pain of the people better. That is the reason why I think most of the people are gelling to his thoughts and we connect with him better. And not only that, he connects with the younger generation up to the older generation. So he has that connect with the people. That is the reason why most of us love Modi ji, and definitely 2029 we'll have BJP government in Telangana.
Ma'am, this time in the elections especially, a lot of spicy, I would say, statements are coming, be it from Asaduddin Owaisi or even the TRS chief and everybody. Like, there is a lot of, as you're saying, fiery speeches are happening. What do you think are the things that are resonating with the people of Telangana this time, especially when we talk about the BJP? There is this entire booklet today that G. Kishan Reddy shared about the developmental works that have happened. So, what is really resonating? Like,
till now they always thought that BJP is only pro-Hindu and it's doing only for Hindus and it's doing nothing for the Muslims. But if you see the candidate from Hyderabad, you must have heard her name, Madhavi Lata. She has worked even for Muslim women also. The only thing is, here the agenda was always caste-based and religion-based politics. BJP has come out of it, come out of religion-based. It's not that nobody a Muslim woman doesn't get Ujjwala Yojana or she doesn't get, everybody is benefited. Be it triple talaq has benefited most of the women in Hyderabad. If you see the amount of suffering of people living in old city, you see most of the child brides are sold to Saudi Arabia. But here again, they have to realize, the people have to realize that BJP is for overall development, BJP is for the nation. That mindset has to change, and I'm very sure it is slowly changing. I can see it in Hyderabad. A lot of Muslim women are coming out in support of Madhvi Lata ji. So the future is bright.
Do you think Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas is working in Telangana, is going to work this time?
Definitely. Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Prayas and Sabka Vishwas also. It will definitely work, and definitely I think we will go for a double-digit number of seats in Telangana this time.
All right. Thank you so much for talking to us, ma'am.